I just built 2 raised garden beds for free from old garage door panels. These tomatoes sure are happy about it, and the rabbits haven't bothered anything. Earlier this year, my garage door came unglued, so when I replaced it, I had the old panels sitting around. Rather than throw them away, I used them to build raised beds. I dug down about 4 inches, placed the panels in the ground, screwed them together, then put logs in the ground vertically around the panels for reinforcement. I filled the bed with dirt from the compost pile and planted it full. Later, I added wire to the logs to support the plants inside. Later in the year, my cousin had some garage door damage, and the company she called to replace the door was only too happy to have me take the panels so they wouldn't have to haul them to the dump. Check with your local overhead door installer. You can probably get as many raised bed garage door panels as you'd like for free.
Last thing, I actually installed some extra angled pieces right here. This is a little greenhouse in the early spring. I actually put windows right on top of those cross members here and here, and then cover the whole thing, and I get good sunlight in there and keep a lot of heat, and I can start my plants really early outside in a makeshift cold frame.
Let me know what you think in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more unique and useful do-it-yourself builds.